Welcome to today's math problem. Here is the question. When the integer n is divided by 21, the remainder is 12. Which of the following must be a divisor of n? Take a moment to think about it and then leave your answer in the comments below. Okay, let's work through this problem together. When n is divided by 21, the remainder is 12. That means we can write n as 21q plus 12, where q is an integer. Now we need to determine which of the answer choices must be a divisor of n. Suppose that q is 1, then n will be 21 multiplied by 1 plus 12. This gives the value of n as 33. From the answer choices, the key word there is must. And if you look at the answer choices, only 3 is divisible by 33. Therefore, any of the other answer choices apart from B is clearly not divisible by the integer n. I hope that explanation helped. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other math problems on this channel.